Before the bottle reaches your shelf, the journey begins here, in the heart of nature's abundant groves.
Skilled hands select only the ripest coconuts, rich in the essential fats needed for premium oil.
Every fruit is inspected at the source, ensuring no damage compromise the raw quality.
Alongside the base oil, potent herbs are gathered to infuse strength and shine. Within hours of harvest, the raw ingredients are secured for the journey to the processing plant.
Time is critical. Freshness determines the purity of the final extraction.
Arriving at the facility, the transition from nature to industry begins immediately.
Tons of raw material enter the intake system, feeding the continuous appetite of the factory.
Automated dehusking strips away the fiber, revealing the hard shell protecting the kernel inside.
High-pressure washing removes soil and impurities, prepping the ingredients for the crush.
The crushing phase breaks down the cellular structure, releasing the nutrient-dense copra for extraction.
Using cold press technology, we extract the oil without heat, preserving vital antioxidants and aroma.
Centrifuges spin at thousands of RPM to separate moisture, leaving behind only 100% pure virgin oil.
Meanwhile, the herbal blend is processed to the perfect consistency for maximum infusion.
The base oil and herbal blend meet in the infusion vessels, where the alchemy of manufacturing begins.
Controlled slow heating ensures the herbs release their essence without burning the delicate oil.
Over several hours, the oil absorbs the medicinal properties, transforming in color and viscosity.
Once the infusion is complete, the mixture is rapidly cooled to lock in the nutrients.
Multi-stage filtration removes every trace of solid residue, ensuring a smooth, premium texture. Before bottling, samples undergo rigorous testing for viscosity, purity, and active ingredient levels.
Hygiene is paramount. Every bottle is air sterilized before a single drop of oil enters.
Precision nozzles fill hundreds of glass bottles per minute, ensuring exact volume in every unit. The sealing process is automated and instantaneous, locking in the freshness immediately. Induction heat seals a foil liner to the rim, providing a tamper-proof guarantee of safety. High-speed rotary labelers apply the brand identity with millimeter precision.
Every glass bottle carries a permanent digital fingerprint, allowing full traceability back to the harvest. Automated vision systems act as the final gatekeeper, rejecting any unit that fails our standards.
Bottles are bundled for retail distribution, securing them for the logistics chain. Robotic palletizers work tirelessly, building the shipment stacks with geometric perfection.
The final load is secured, ready to withstand the miles between the factory and the consumer.
In our massive distribution hub, thousands of liters of oil await dispatch to markets worldwide.
From local groves to global markets, the supply chain never stops moving. Another day of production concludes, sending the power of nature out into the world.
And this is how modern factories produce premium herbal hair oil from start to finish.